Today we're going to talk about alignment, wrapping text, and also merging cells. Now, when we enter text into Excel, the default is bottom aligned, so it's on the bottom of the cell, and it's to the left. For numbers, it will line up to the right. Now, you can, of course, change this, and with cells, you get that added bonus of being able to do top, middle, or bottom aligned. So we're going to do some of the alignments on our headers here in row 4. Now I'm going to select all my headers here, and I'm going to make this center aligned. Now for the alignment, I'm going to go up here. The 6 buttons to do with alignment are right here in the alignment group. Now, as far as left, center, and right, it's the bottom one. So I'm going to make this center aligned. Now, I'm also going to move these headers into the middle of the cell as far as the vertical alignment. So I'm going to go above the one I just clicked on and go up to middle align, and I'll click it, and you'll see it moves to the middle of the cell. Now, there are some times where you might want to wrap the text instead of making the column larger. For instance, if you look at my columns G and H, we have a couple items that overlap each other. So instead of making this column bigger, maybe we want to wrap the text so it fits on just the one cell. So I'm going to select G4 and H4, date of hire, and days of service. Once I have it selected, I'm going to go back up to the alignment group and click on wrap text. And you can see now they wrap nicely, and I can read both of them. Now let's move on to merging cells. So a common usage of merging cells is putting a heading over multiple cells. So I'm going to do that with my A1 and also my A2. So I'm going to select A1 and go over the range I want to place the heading over. So you need to grab all those columns. Now I'm going to go to that same alignment group and click on merge and center. And you can see it nicely goes over the top and merges those cells together. I'm going to do the same for A2 to H2. Now finally, I'm going to do one more merge, and this time we're going to do a vertical merge. So I'm going to place a new column in front of column A. Next, I'm going to highlight where I want to put my text down the length of my data, and I'm going to click on merge and center. Now I'm going to type a phrase in here that's going to display across the left side of my data. Now that I've entered my data, I'm going to select it, and we're going to go up to the alignment group one more time. And this time we're going to look for the orientation button. Now this is nice if you want to fancy it up a bit, where you have a different way of displaying text. So you might want something like vertical text. As you can see, it just shows the words rotated. And we can also do something like rotating text up. And that's the one I'm going to choose. Now at this point, you can just do your normal font changes, and we'll have something that displays nicely on the left side. I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching.